Hello friends, myself Ruti Mistry and I'm the admission process manager of all the French universities at EDUC Abroad. As you read the title, today we are going to discuss how to do the campus trans process. You know friends, जब भी कोई student decides to study in France or apply for a France student visa, सबसे common terminology जो पूरे process में use होती है, it is campus trans. So the immediate question that pops up in our mind is कि campus trans है क्या? So friends मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि basically campus trans is an authorized body जो फ्रेंच कॉन्सुलेट या एम्बेसी के बिहाफ में वीज़ा इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करते हैं. There are around 12 campus trans offices located in India. So your interview will be conducted as per your territory of residence. अब ये तो बात हो गई campus trans के बारे में. Now the main question is कि campus trans process करना कब है? So friends, once you receive your admission letter from XYZ university or school, what you have to do is you have to visit the campus trans website. So the campus trans website, that is www.temp.ed.campustrans.org, and there you go. सो फ्रेंड्स होता ये है कि कैंपस ट्रांस का जो वेबसाइट है आपको वहाँ पे उनका एक ऑनलाइन पोर्टल है. दे हैव अ वेरी सिस्टमैटिक प्रोसेस. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर अकाउंट ऑन द कैंपस ट्रांस पोर्टल. यू हैव टू अपलोड योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स ओवर देयर एंड यू हैव टू सबमिट योर फाइल. So as you can see, this is the campus trans home page. This is the website and this is their home page. Over here you can see यहाँ पे दो options है. The first one is enter your account and the second one is create your account. So what we will do is first we'll click on create your account, and this will take us to another page in which the information like your email ID, your personal details and your ID document information will be required. So हम लोग first will begin with your email ID. Okay, so that is you have to put your own email ID. So I'm going to put students1287@gmail.com. okay, just copy the ID, your name as per your passport and your gender, date of birth, then your country of birth, then your city of where you have been born. I'm putting it Ahmedabad. Country of nationality. Now here comes your ID document type. Over here आपको अपना passport details enter करना है. The first will require is your validity date, the validity date of your passport. So I'm going to put 31/10/2029. So friends, please ensure as you are whenever you're going to apply for a campus trans, प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट आपकी पासपोर्ट की वैलिडिटी एटलीस्ट 1 ईयर की हो. ओके, फॉलोड बाय योर ID document number, that is your passport number and country of issue. Okay, put one. And by clicking over here you will receive a link from campus trans on your designated email ID, and here it comes. See, it shows that you have successfully created your campus trans account, and through this link आप अपना email ID और password create कर सकते हो, through which you can log in to your designated campus trans account. Okay, so again we'll put on your ID, email ID, that is students1287@gmail.com, and I'm putting the password student@123. Okay, please confirm your password. Is student@123, and there you go, the campus trans account is created. Now what we will do is we will log in to your campus trans account. Account is being created now. अब हम उसमें लॉग इन करेंगे. So friends, आप देख सकते हो ये लॉग इन पेज है कैंपस ट्रांस अकाउंट का. नाउ हम फिर से होम पेज पे चले जाते हैं कैंपस ट्रांस के. मैंने आपको बोला था ना यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शंस है. फर्स्ट वन इज क्रिएट योर अकाउंट एंड सेकंड वन इज एंटर योर अकाउंट. राइट नाउ आपने अभी अकाउंट क्रिएट किया. सो अभी कैंपस ट्रांस आपको उनके लॉगिन पेज पे लेके गए, लेकिन सेकेंड टाइम अगर आपको आपके अकाउंट में एंटर करना हो वो भी डिटेल्स चेंज करने के लिए, तो यू कैन यूज दिस ऑप्शन. सी, द एंटर योर अकाउंट इज द सेम एज दिस पेज. Okay, so what we have to do is we will put your credentials over here, that is students1287@gmail.com, and your password, that is student@123. Okay, so this will take us to your Campus Trans account, and here we go. Friends, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो on right hand side, this is your Campus Trans account number. Okay, and here your name will be displayed. Okay, यहाँ पे there are 4 options: apply for a program in France, start application for student visa at Campus France, mailbox and my account. हम क्या करेंगे, we'll click on start application for student visa at Campus France, because the first option is for the students जिनका अभी तक एडमिशन नहीं हुआ कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी में, कोई भी फ्रेंच यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन नहीं हुआ हो, तो यू हैव टू गो फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. द सेकंड वन इज फॉर द स्टूडेंट हु ऑलरेडी हैव रिसीव्ड द एडमिशन लेटर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट इज आस्क्ड इज प्रोग्राम चॉइस. Over here, click on the second option, that is you have received a confirm acceptance or admission letter for a full-time program from a French institution. Okay, click on choose. Now what we have to do is, according to your admission letter, हमें सारी information यहाँ पे feed करनी है. Okay, the first one will be full-time degree program. Click on program not in catalog, and आपका course as per your admission letter. Enter here year 1 level, 4th year bachelor's, first year's master's, field of study management, degree type MBA. Okay, please enter your university's name. I am entering XYZ University. अगर आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम आपको ना डिस्प्ले हो यहाँ पे, तो what you can do is over here you can enter your university name and the city. Okay, now enter your course start date. I'm entering 20th August 2020. Okay, and your reasons, that is why you have applied for France student visa. Okay, when you click on save, the next option जो आएगा, that is to upload your admission letter. You have to do is just upload your final admission letter that you have received from your university. Okay, now you can see the first step is almost cleared. Okay, it is cleared right over here. यहाँ पे complete आ गया. It means you have fulfilled all the requirements of Campus France authorities. Now the second step is to enter your personal details, education qualification and language proficiency. So please click on this. यहाँ पे first thing what you have to do is you have to upload your photo. So please upload your passport size photo. बट आप ध्यान रखना कि वो पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो इट इज़ नॉट मोर देन 50 KB. ओके, नाउ आप फ्रेंड्स आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन है बहुत सारी, राइट. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव एंटर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रिएटिंग योर अकाउंट. ओके, योर ID डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप, योर नंबर, passport number, your validity date, this is already we have uploaded at the time of entered at time of creating your account. Okay, we have to just do one thing, we have to upload the supporting document, that is your passport copy. ओके फ्रेंड्स, एक चीज़ याद रखना कि जब भी आप कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड कर रहे हो कैंपस ट्रांस वेबसाइट पे, सो प्लीज़ इंश्योर दैट द साइज ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट इज़ नॉट मोर देन 300 KB, अदरवाइज द कैंपस ट्रांस पोर्टल विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट दैट. ओके, 38091, प्लीज एंटर योर कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, in Gujarat and city Ahmedabad. Okay, followed by your mobile number is 9898. Okay, now the next would be if you have to mention if you have been received any scholarship or not. Okay, the next would be your education qualification. Please upload your updated CV over here. The portal only accept it. Okay, there is a small bug, so yeah. Okay, then all your academic records, right from your 12th, your bachelor's if you have done, and your experiences. Okay, so we'll begin with 12th. आपने कौन से ईयर में कंप्लीट किया है अपना 12th, कहाँ से किया है. ओके, फ्रॉम द सिटी, from your institution name, GSAP. Right now I'm entering GSAP, your percentage, class, pass class, okay, city and Japan. That is GSAP, okay. Yeah, so यहाँ पे टैब ओपन हो जाएगा where you have to upload your 12th mark sheet. The same practice you have to do when you are uploading your bachelor's. Okay, if you have done your bachelor's, then you have to go to the university degree. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे you can enter the details related to your bachelor's. Okay, and if you are applying for, if you have done your master's, then go to the higher education, and over here you can, you know, enter the details related to your master's if you have done that, and then you have to upload the documents accordingly. Now if you have done any if you have any experience, then what you can do is just click on other and you can upload your experience details or certificate details over here. Okay, now let's go to the last section, that is language proficiency. फ्रेंड्स, आपने अगर कोई फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज टेस्ट के लिए अपीयर किया हो तो यू कैन एंटर द डिटेल्स ओवर हियर अकॉर्डिंगली. इफ नॉट, then click on no and proceed further. And the last one would be English language proficiency. So if you are from an English medium, okay, so what you have to do is you have to upload your MOI, and if not, then please upload your test score, English test score. Okay, so if you are from an English, if you have studied English, then yes. If you have not appeared for any test, if you are an English medium student and you are going to upload MOI, then click on no. Okay, and the tab will open for uploading your MOI letter. Okay, so here it go. And if you had appeared for any language proficiency test, then just go for, then you know, please mention that test details over here, or mention, or just randomly mentioning this stuff, and you can upload your scorecard over here. Okay, and click on back. See, जितनी डिटेल्स चाहिए थी कैंपस ट्रांस अथॉरिटीज़ को, वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड एवरीथिंग एंड वी हैव अपलोडेड द डॉक्यूमेंट्स अकॉर्डिंगली. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल क्लिक ऑन वेरीफाई योर एंट्रीज एंड क्लिक ओवर हियर. जब तक ये पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं आ जाता तब तक यू कैन नॉट सबमिट योर एप्लीकेशन. ऑन क्लिकिंग ओवर सबमिट, you will be submitting your application to the campus trans authorities. Now once you click on submit, the campus trans authority will receive your application, they will review your file. फिर वो आपको एक लिंक देंगे आपके आईडी पे, जिससे यू कैन मेक द पेमेंट ऑफ योर कैंपस ट्रांस प्रोसेसिंग फीस, दैट इज 16,500 INR, and after that you will be called for an interview. Okay, so this is how the complete campus trans process work. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to complete your campus trans process. Okay, so now if you have any query, please do mention in the comment section and we will get back to you very shortly. Bye bye, have a good day.